Hey guys, Good at Games here, and welcome to the first video on my channel. Thank you for tuning in, thank you for watching. Now, for our first video, I thought it should be something that fits the theme of the channel, and what better way to, set the mood, set the theme, than with the Google Docs tutorial. Now, this is a simple software that I'm sure a lot of y'all have used, but there are a lot of small things like everything up here that people just don't know about or don't know how to use. So I figured, why not help y'all and try to teach y'all some things. So yeah, I hope you learned something, and let's get started. So this is just, writing software. Not much to say about that. You just type in stuff, get some there, and then, you could write a sentence like this, and then you can read it. Okay, I'm gonna be honest, I haven't gotten that far, but it's a tutorial. We're here to learn, so we can learn together. Uh, oh, something funny that was caught on Discord. Not sure exactly what it means, but I was just sure it wasn't anything too bad. Now, all of this stuff up here, this basically just changes how the text looks. Like, here, let's highlight this. Example, this box changes it from, normal style text to like a title or a heading. Let's do title, I like title. Yeah. And then this changes like the font of the words. Default Arial. But you can also do like things like Comic Sans, Times in Roman if you're fancy. Now this button right here changes like where the text is going to be displayed. You have your left, right, center. That's a title. It should be censored. Yeah, there we go. And then these ones are really cool. They could change like the color of the text, like the highlights. Like here, you can just make it to any color. Let's just do red letters, and then a classic highlight. Yeah, like that. Then of course you have underline, italics, bold. Then this just changes the size of the text. Here's the title. We need it really big. Yeah. So yeah, that's the basics of how to change the text, how it looks. Yeah, let's get rid of this. There, before I move on to anything else, I want to show you. Hold on. There we go. I want to show you headers. So the way you put headings on the page is you double click at the top like that, and it should get something like this. And then normal thing you would see is like page numbers like this. Start from 1. So that way, whenever you go to another page, it'll just keep counting up like that automatically. Now, there we go. Now this box right here, that just means it's unchecked right now, so whatever you put up here is going to show up down here. But if you check that box, basically it means you can change this, do whatever you want, and it won't affect anything down here. Now let's get back to it. Now, it doesn't have to just be the page number. You could do something like a little message, like something else someone said to me on Discord. And let's add a little smiley face. I like the analog ones. So yeah, you can just have a little message up here. I think it's reassuring. Someone's always going to be there for you, watching you. So yeah, that's it. That's it for the headers. That's pretty much it for the text. Now we're going to move on to working with images. So the way you add an image is just go to Insert, Image, then Upload Computer and search from the web. I have a lot on this images on here, so I'm just gonna look for a random one here. How about this one? Uh, Sorry. Okay, that image didn't load. I think we're having some issues. Let's just get another image. Just, dude, do the same thing. Let's just do this one. Are you kidding? How many images do I have on my my? This is my brother's computer. I don't. Yeah, it's hit. I don't. Shit. Oh. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we get. Okay, let's use this one. We can use this one. Okay. So that's how you add images. Sorry, the other two didn't load. So yeah, their images are a little tough to work with. You say like just get another sentence here. Uh, so as you see, can't really do much, and if you try to move it around like this, it'll just ruin the sentence, make it all weird. Uh, you can do options like this, like wrap around, cut, then in front, behind, but it just looks really weird. I wouldn't recommend using images with Google Docs. So let's just get rid of this. Again, there isn't much. Okay, hold on. There isn't much you can do with images, so we're hold 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 on. It's not it's not deleting. Uh, what? Okay, hold on, y'all. I need to do something. Give me a sec. Okay, I think we're good. Yeah, so just don't do images. Just write stuff on here. Uh, I think that's it. That's it for Google Docs. Uh, there are a couple other things you can do, like here, I think it's over here. Yeah, you could do like equations, but I'd rather not risk it. Been through a lot today. So yeah, that's it. Hope you learned something. Thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. I'll definitely do more stuff like this in the future. So if you liked what you saw, please subscribe. Anyway, goodbye. Hope you have a good one.